Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Rapid7 for vulnerability management, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin your journey with Rapid7 for vulnerability management, first, log in to your Rapid7 account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Vulnerability Management section. Here, you will see an overview of vulnerabilities detected in your environment. To initiate a scan, locate the Scan option in the menu. Click on the Create a New Scan button to get started. In the new scan configuration, choose the scan type that fits your needs, such as discovery or authenticated scans. Next, specify the target assets you want to include in the scan. You can select individual assets or entire asset groups depending on your requirements. Once you've selected your targets, configure the scan settings to customize options like scheduling and notification preferences. After configuring the settings, review the scan details to ensure everything is correct. Click the Launch button to start the scan. While the scan runs, you can monitor its progress in the dashboard. Once the scan is complete, navigate to the Recent Scans tab to view the results. Click on the latest scan to see a detailed report of identified vulnerabilities. In the report, you can explore various metrics, such as severity levels and potential impacts. To dive deeper, use the filters to focus on specific asset types or vulnerability categories. Review the recommended actions for each vulnerability to understand remediation options. In addition to individual vulnerabilities, you can view trends over time in the dashboard. Utilize the Remediation Projects feature to manage your team's response efforts. Assign tasks directly to team members based on scan findings to ensure prompt action. Regularly revisit the dashboard to track progress and reassess vulnerability status. You can also schedule recurring scans to maintain ongoing security checks. This will help ensure your environment remains protected against new vulnerabilities. Finally, keep the documentation handy for any additional insights or troubleshooting tips. By following these steps, you will effectively leverage Rapid7 for comprehensive vulnerability management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.